Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So yesterday we talked about Chinese number system. So this is more or less the same, in the same category. It's a Chinese calendar. 日, 期. 日 is day, 期 is period, a period of a daytime. So it's 日期 is a Chinese calendar. Okay, so for French, for English, we have different way to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So let's start. 好，同学们，今天我们说一下中文的日期，中文、英文、法文的对比。And I am not talking about Italian, and there is nothing that there is no relation with sábado, with domingo, and paparotti. So we are only within the moon, the moon, the star, lune, moon, those things, okay? So in English, the first is Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, D-A-Y, 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 Friday, and Saturday. Oh, I'm running short of space. Okay, let me do it again here. I am sorry. So, shall we start from Monday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And in French is lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Maybe I have some spelling mistake. Anyway, so this is Monday, Tuesday. And so you have to remember it's a moon's day, it's a sun's day, and it's French Friday, and Thursday, it's a drinking day. And this is a wedding day. And Saturn, star day. So it's kind of confusing. I'm just guessing. I'm just making it up. Lune, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. And in Chinese, oh, sorry, it's out of the range. And in Chinese, it's so much easier. 星 is star. 七 is period. The period of star. The period of star is 7 days. Maybe it's out of it's starting from a certain star's rotating time. 星期一 Monday. 星期二 星期二 星期三 星期四 星期五 星期六 星期天 or 星期日 日 is Sunday. Two ways of saying Sunday. So it becomes much easier. 星期一 星期二 weekday 2 weekday 1 weekday 2 weekday 星期 is a week. Weekday 1 weekday 2 weekday 3 weekday 4 4星期五星期六星期四星期天星期日 So weekday 1 weekday 2 weekday 3 weekday 4 weekday 5 weekday 6 and weekday day yeah 星期天 So that is so much easier to remember. You just need to remember the first day and then counting the number. Make sense? And another thing is easy is the months. So January, J-A-N-U, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, then Julio come, and August come, and then the months will given to them. But in Chinese, okay, French is janvier, February, février, March. There's no Mars coming. March. What is this? Avril, May, Juin, Juillet, Juillet, Août, Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, Décembre. Right? This is French. And in Chinese, 1月, the months, 1, first month, 2月, second month, 3月, third month 4月 fourth month 5月 fifth month 6月 sixth month 7月 seventh month 8月August 8th month 9月 ninth month 10月 10th month 11月 11th month 12月 Is that simple? You just count according to the number. So in Chinese, it's at least the new Chinese, the Chinese we are using now, is so much systematic and easier to remember. And these numbers, these months and days in English, in Latin language, in Roman language system, there is a history in it. It's not that Chinese months does not have a history. It's another system. But there is a historical way of saying, for example, December, we say it 腊月, the winter months, something like it. And 伏天, we have our way of saying it, but as long as counting, use it as a functional numbering system, it's very clear. It's very clear. It's disconnected with the history part. It's mostly not disconnected. It's very pure, just about the number system. Do I make any sense? And some of the months has a Chinese name of it. Even I myself, I'm confused. It's not used very often. Nowadays, people remember this instead of the old way of saying it, which is pretty cool if you can remember. D'accord. Au revoir, Auguste. Au revoir, Julio César. Au revoir, tout le monde. Coucou, bye bye. Arrivederci.